Hello everyone, this is Tim. How are you doing today? I'm going to be doing more coasters. I'm going to have a lot of videos on coasters just because I just booked some space yesterday at a flea market fair for November 27th of 23 to do my first sale. So the coasters are moving like hotcakes right now. When I had said that they were $12.50, that was for the plastic round ones. These ceramic ones are selling for $22. So a set, that's for 4 of them. And they will have a back on them too, of a cork board. So they'll be and sealed and everything. So let me know if you're interested in any of those, but let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you my colors. Today I'm using some different ones. I got an orange that's a basic acrylic Liquitex. I found these at Joann's for 2 for $10, so they're $5 a piece. So, and then here's this is a fluorescent pink. So we're going to throw that in there and see what happens. So this is that fluorescent pink right here. Look at how bright that is. That is a bright color. Okay, and then the orange that's there is this orange here. It's really bright. So we use that, and then I'm going to use a red here, and then this is a different version of a red that I'll use when I'm out of this one. So I'm not too picky. And then of course black and white. I did not pour my pillow yet. Sorry about that. So I store all my paints in these bottles, and then when I need them, I pour them in the little cups, and that works out just awesome. I just want to put this in there. Okay, so I'll use that for my base. Well, it'll kind of all come out when you do these because they're so little, but there it is right there. This time I am going to use a yellow as my activator. Now this is just, it's my medium in the paint mixed up, and I just take some of my mixed paint and I add a lot of water to it. And then I test it. Here I threw the yellow over a red and I blew on it. Gave me some cells. So I'll probably have to add some more water to it to get more cells. That doesn't look like that's too pretty. But as you know, in this art, what we do, we try. What we learn from, we move on. Okay, let's get started here. I got a lot of these I gotta make. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let's go this way. You all see? I'll do it here. So each one of these, give them a little bit. Then I'm going to do a big slate after this. I got some nice 12 by 12 slates. I've done some videos on those. And see how they turn out. So far, they've been really good. Just finding the right color pattern, I guess. So somebody asked me the other day, a friend of mine, she says, well, can't you use a different color than the white or the black for your activator? I'm like, yeah. I think I can actually use whatever color I want. So, that being said, I'm going to do the yellow today. It'll be the first time I ever do a different color besides black or white. We'll see how that does. Yeah, I'm only going to use just a few colors today. I'm not gonna plunder these things with too much color. In fact, I think I'll take this and just kind of do that. I don't know. You got to try different things, guys, and see what works for you. Because what I love about this art is I'm never wrong. Well, am I? I mean, in the fact of what you do, you can't really make a mistake because it's such a messy way of doing art. So, right? Can you? Or can you not? I don't know. We shall see. Looks like the white is swallowing up that orange over there. That's okay. All right, now I'm just going to put a titty of black. I didn't give myself a black one either. Tim, you're not very prepared today, are you? Ooh. It happens. Hey, thanks for the new subscribers. Got some new subscribers this week. So the channel's building. Might be slowly but surely, but we're getting there. I'm shooting for 100. Want to reach over 100 by the end of this month. So whatever you can do to help me out, share, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I will respond to every comment right now because I'm not getting very many. We're just starting out, right? Okay, so you never know. Let's see what happens here. We might need to put more black in the next ones. I mean, I'm going to be doing so many of these that I can just experiment away, because when you do a large quantity of something like this, people are going to like them. There's going to be somebody that likes the ones that nobody else likes. There always is. Once again, I didn't have my paper ready. Okay, I hope this stuff works. We'll see. We shall see. Okay, here we go. Oh, it looks pretty bubbly to me. Never ever used another color. And I don't really typically use this knife. So this is going to be very, very interesting, people. I guess you're first. Alrighty. There's some activation there. Okay. Let's see. It's all in the way you spread it out, remember? Guess I could do it that way, huh? That way I'm putting it right back in the cup if it doesn't come through, right? There you go. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. All right. Turn it. Just go right across it. Don't press too hard. Okay. Remember, you're just trying to put the bubbles in. Now, see that? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Once again. On there again. You want it really thin. Really, 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 really thin. Okay. I mean, really thin. All right. Let's go across this one. Just lift up the top a little bit. And let her, yeah, we're not getting a whole lot of cells, but we'll see what these turn out to be. I mean, they might be all right. If they're not, we just wipe them off and do them again. Well, I got over 100 of these slates, so I've got enough. Okay, here we go. Oh, looks like it might be all right. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? All right. Let's see if I even have enough paint. You're gonna have to put just a tidbit. Usually not an issue with these because they're so little. So let's try it. All right, you ready? Here we go. See, I don't know. You never know until you know, right? Looks like a watermelon, huh? Yeah, it's not wanting to flow over there. That helps it out. There we go. See it? I'm not too shazzy on these colors. But we'll see. Like I said, everybody likes something different. Excuse me. Everybody's a finger painter. See that? Ain't going good. No. Try to get some more down here. These are flowing slow, flowing slow. It's all right. That's what it takes sometimes, right? Okay, I'm done with that one. Boop. Some of these up here, my little stands, they work awesome. You can see that one? Sometimes I do have to turn it away from the camera because it's not going to make it. So, bears with me. Okay, let's go to this corner. There it comes. See that good? Alright. There we go. Well, it's a little dark. The sides get it. Ooh, that's a nice pretty pinky red. Okay, okay. A little different. I need music playing. But you can't because of copyrights. So, let me see if I can add some to the video that's alright to use. Oops, put too much orange off of there. I don't know, these might be some... Somebody will like them. I like them. That's what you never know about the colors, man, because what colors do people like? People like all kinds of colors. I don't know. Do they like brighter colors more than red? Than darker colors? Do they like, So you just kind of got to create, and that's the thing. Art isn't going to, well, it does. I mean, how can I put it? A person's got to see something in a piece of art before they're going to buy it. Okay? I guess is a good way to explain it. It's basically that, you might have people that come by and look at it and go, ooh, yuck. Okay, that's going to happen to everybody. And it's just part of being an artist. And then you got people that walk by and they just can't resist it. And so, okay, I think I got all of that one. Yeah, there was a lot less paint on this. That's for sure. Couple more of these. Yeah, and it's still flowing too, so it'll go. It'll go. I'm gonna put a little bit more white on the corners. This one here was the first one we dumped. Okay, that we poured. So yeah, not a whole lot of cell action. I don't know. The whites work awesome for that, but I don't know. I just tried another color, see what happens. And there doesn't have to be a lot of cell action in these either. I mean, like I said, people may not like the cells, right? Stand up straight, stand up straight. So, I'm excited about this first sales. So we'll have to see how that goes. I guess I can hum. Now you people don't want to hear me hum. I'm a better hummer than I am a singer, so I'm gonna be honest with you. Never gonna pull your leg. All right, let's add some heat to these. Woo, there we go. Now we'll get some unique patterns out of it. There we go. Not as many cells as I thought, but that's all right. Some different colors, Okay, let me pause you out there and I'll give you a close-up, okay? Hold on. Okay. Look at that. There's one. I'm just going to rotate them. Here comes number 2. There you go. Some pretty patterns coming out of that. Give it about an hour. Ooh, this one really opened up. There we go. There we go. Right on. Okay. So, you kind folks out there found this video entertaining, informative, taught you something, please subscribe, share if you'd like, let your friends and family know about us, and give me a comment, okay? Let me know how I did here, what you'd like to see, okay? God bless everybody. Have a great day.